Advocate T production. Champions Network sounds. It's your boy Advocate T. Hands of unity.
In 87 shadows loom so dark. Matabil and wept a nation's broken heart. Mugabe and Nkomo with courage bold and true signed the accord on December 22. Oh Zimbabwe, unite hand in hand. From the ashes of pain we rise and stand. One people, one dream under freedom's sky. Unity they cause, let hatred say goodbye.
Bukura hundi scars we heal with pieces lie. No more division in the dead of night. Zanu and Zapu now brothers side by side, building a future where all can abide.
Oh Zimbabwe, unite hand in hand. From the ashes of pain we rise and stand. One people, one dream under freedom's sky. Unity they cause, let hatred say goodbye. It brought us harmony, strength through the storm. A single heartbeat, transformed and warm.
For every Zimbabwean from valley to hill,
Unity's promise we cherish still. December 22, our day to celebrate. One nation unbreakable, sealed by fate. Unity Day originated amid civil unrest after 1980 independence, when ethnic and political clashes between ZANU-PF and PF, ZAPU led to thousands of deaths. Mugabe and Nkomo formed it through negotiations to merge parties and promote tolerance. The accord ended hostilities, fostering political stability, national cohesion, and shared nation-building efforts. It symbolizes reconciliation, reducing divisions and installing unity across diverse groups. Advocate T production. Champions Network sounds.